Hello everybody. How are you today? All around Sarah here. Oh my goodness, look at the hair. The white hair, guys. The white hair. So anyway, all around Sarah here. Today is Saturday, off work. I thought I will vlog this one, guys, for you. It is about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, but look at that. And here's Allie. Allie, say hi. Say hi, Al. Oh my goodness, very serious. Al is so serious. So look at that, guys. That's really thick, dark clouds about to dump. And you know what? I love this when it rains like this. It has been so long since we had the rain. So hopefully that will dump really good. It looks dark out there too. So anyway, where's Cooper? There's Cooper. Cooper! Cooper! There's Cooper, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's Cooper. There's Cooper. There's Cooper. But look at that. Look at you see that? There's Ati. There's Ati. See Ati. Hi, Ati. And there's Allie. Allie's excited to see the rain. Are you excited to see the rain now? Huh? But there goes my plants. Needs to be clean. Oh, Allie's coming. Allie. Oh, rain's coming. Rain's coming. Oh, rain's coming. Oh my goodness. Rain's coming. It's very, very thick. Yay. So anyway, I love this rain. I love this rain. It's not here yet, but you could see that it's gonna be here. Oh, it's dark and windy. Dark and windy. Guys. Ooh, thick clouds. So that's what my backyard looked like, guys. I don't know if you have seen this. I am very blessed to have a backyard like this. So there we go. It's cold. It's getting cold. Let's go out. Let's go. Ah! So these roses smell so good. Smell so good. Rain's coming. Rain's coming. And it's cold. And there's she is. Oh boy, beautiful. And it's coming. It's coming. And I thought I want to share this with you guys. So look at this. That's another bloom. That's a different kinds of orchids. Ooh. There's this one. This is a pretty one too. See how pretty it is. I'm just showing you different kinds of colors of my orchids. That's another one. Okay. And this one, you gotta see this one, guys. Okay, you have to see this one. You see that one? That's so pretty. Beautiful. It's so pretty. And I got one more to show you. There. So those are just some of my orchids colors that I have in my backyard. One of this day I'm gonna really give you a complete tour of my orchids, of what kind of, like, how many colors I have. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and hope you're having a beautiful day today. And please don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day. And this terrible storm is coming, but I love it. I love it. We want the water. We want the water. It's pouring now. It's pouring now, guys. There it is. Now it's pouring. We need the rain. We really need the rain. So anyway, here we go. Bye bye.